What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we're going to be slaying this beautiful wig glueless. Yes, this wig is not bonded down at all. This one comes courtesy of Hairvivi. I'm going to do a beginner friendly install and share with you all of my tips and tricks to get this one to look so amazing in the hairline. Not gonna hold you guys. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're loving the content on this channel. Now let's jump right into the video. Jumping right into it, you guys already know a Hairvivi package always hits different. They switched up their box. It's this pink velvet like suede material, super soft and pretty, and it came with a bow attached. Of course, I've already been in the package. Sorry about that. This is the wig straight out of the box. As you guys can see, this is a center part fake scalp lace wig. You can definitely move the parting around, but just look at how amazing the parting pops with no effort at all. And of course, the hair is a beautiful silky texture. There's a bag of goodies inside, and then there's also these two packs. This one is a fitted glueless wig. They gave me 2 samples of fitted wig caps. This one here is what you pretty much will get when you get a wig from generally any company. As you guys can see, it appears to fit on my head. It's just not as flat and flush as I would like it to be. The foundation starts with the wig cap, and it's extremely important that it fits in a way that will help to make the wig fit amazing, right? So get a load of how this one fits. I haven't even got the wig cap on and I'm already amazed. It fits my head like a glove. If your head is bigger than mine, smaller than mine, wider, a different shape, because yes, I have a funny shaped head, this is going to fit everyone's head like a glove. Also here, you can see that the wig does come with a elastic band inside. It's adjustable, so I made it my size, and we're going to go ahead and put the wig on and start the customizations. As you guys can see, she already fits like a glove. As I mentioned with the wig caps I tried on for you guys, this is that little goodie bag that they included, and it has their logo imposed on the dust bag. Inside your dust bag, you'll find tons of free goodies. Our focal point today will be this here, which is a wig grip. I'm going to be using it today, and you'll see how amazing it works to help to make the wig fit in place, especially when you're going for a glueless install. Let's go ahead and cut off all of the excess lace from ear to ear. Now look at this. I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison. You didn't even realize that half the lace was there until I moved the flap. Literally, this one melts into your skin with no effort, no tips and tricks. Literally straight out the box and put the wig on, and it will match your complexion, even if your complexion is not exact as mine. I'm going to apply the wig grip, which is simple and easy. You can put it underneath your wig cap if you want it to match your complexion. I'm just going to move mine forward in a way that it covers and good to go. So the wig will not slide back at all. And as you guys can see, it fits glueless. Literally, if I wanted to walk out of the door at this point, I could, even without doing anything else but cutting off the lace. Head and bond down the ear tabs. This is actually just a extra hold hairspray. I'm going to use it paired with my blow dryer from Bedeck.com. This combo is going to make it appear that the wig is glued down. Really, it's kind of bonded down, but you can literally just add water and it'll lift right back up. The center I did not bother to do just because we didn't need it at all. Literally, I just wanted to make sure the ear tabs did not tab away and flap away, but you can definitely cut the ear tabs off if this is not your jam. So here I'm showing you I have a rat tail comb, and I actually have the comb underneath the lace. I just want to prove to you guys that it's not bonded down in the center at all. There are no smoke and mirrors. This lace is amazing. And this here is a wax stick from Bedeck.com. I'm going to begin the process of just laying and styling the hair. I'm going to perfect the center parting and just use this wax stick paired with the electric hot comb to just go ahead and silk out the hair and make sure that it's laying super flat and on fleek.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. You're losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, 'cause I I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling each other friends. Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good, but you know better, better.
Now that was amazing transformation. Now I'm going to be trying out this flat iron. It comes courtesy of EAP Heat. But first, let's go ahead and add a contour powder to the hairline. This is going to help to conceal it. Honestly, it was a little bit too dark, which in person it looks perfect, but you guys can see on camera it does look a little bit dark. And I will just go in on top with my foundation and kind of fix that up, but I just wanted to make sure that on every angle the lace was not clockable at all and it was a perfect match to my skin. Now we're going to take this flat iron from EAP and go in and just do a couple heat passes all the way around. We're going to use the chase method to silk it out. This is going to help to make sure that each strand and each follicle are completely straight as the heat passes through the hair. We're going to bump it slightly at the end, and this is going to just give us a beautiful cut, a beautiful style with minimal effort. Now this is what the wig looks like from the back. You guys can see she's absolutely beautiful, great sheen, great everything about this one. Literally, this is one that you need for 2022. Last step is just going to be able to straighten out those sideburns. I went for the old school wrap look with the sideburns hanging straight, and that's pretty much it. Okay, love bugs, we are officially done with this look. Now this here is a new innovation from Hairvivi. This is their fitted glueless wig. You guys seen in the beginning of the video, I went ahead and showed and shared you guys the two different types of caps. The first one was other people's or other companies' standard cap. And that one kind of fits where when you stand to the side, like it kind of lifts. It doesn't fit as flat and flush to the head as theirs does. This is theirs, and I love the fact that, you know, it always fits my head so good. All of my wigs, even though this is a new technology, I feel like they've been using it because all of my wigs from Hairvivi come with an awesome hairline that is always going to blend with my complexion. It always comes pre-plucked, and then the wig always fits my head glueless. So we did go for a glueless install today. As you guys see, here's a rat tail comb, and this is actually one from them, and it has their logo on it. I'm going to take and lift the lace. And as you guys can see, it's not bonded down. I did use the wig grip inside, and I do like the way that fits. I don't think I've ever, or if I have, it's been a while, used a wig grip before. And I really like how it still makes my head or the wig fit or feel a little bit more snug on my head, if you will. Now I did cheat just a little bit, and I did go ahead and bond down the sides with a glueless product. This is a extra hold hairspray from Bedeck. You guys know I love this. I've been loving this for years, and I'll have it linked in the description box. But the reason I did that is because the ear tabs just simply didn't, and typically they don't. The solution is, you guys know I like to sometimes cut the lace through here, and then that way I can use edge control and make the lace blend and go behind my ear. That way I don't have to glue anything down. But if you select to keep the ear tabs up front, a lot of the times, not always, those may tend to protrude because it goes in front of your head and your ear. I also love the length on this one. We're going to Viva Las Vegas this weekend, and I think this is going to be my go-to wig, because if I do choose to bond it down, first of all I don't have to, but if I choose to, I know for sure that when it lifts it's still going to sit and fit secured. For pictures and stuff, I know it's going to look good on the hairline, and then it just gives a nice wifey mommy vibe with the cut. I already showed you guys the goodies. You got not one but two dust bags. The larger one is the one that the wig was in. The smaller one was with the one that our goodies was in. And you guys seen we used pretty much everything they provided. We used the wig grip band. It's like a silicone plastic material, I want to say. I think it's silicone. And then the clips, two small little tiny clips. These are very compact and nice. And then their baby hair brush has their logo on the back, just the way mine from Bedeck Beauty does, as well as their rat tail comb. So love that for them. I'm gonna go ahead and have everything linked in the description box for you guys, including all of the hot tools and everything. I finally whipped this baby out. This one comes from EAP Heat. They sent this to me a while back and I have yet to use it. I don't know why, but I just keep forgetting, and I wanted to do a special video with it. I just haven't had time, so I'm gonna start integrating it into my daily use. I'm Ashley Bedeck. Go ahead and subscribe if you've made it this far in the video. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications and give me a thumbs up if you're loving the content on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!